All right, next topic for discussion is how to trace or visualize a quadratic surface, which is basically just a 3D image that's created out of an equation consisting of x, y, and z. Basically, the way that you do it is you're going to set one of the variables equal to 0. So essentially, just take that term out of the equation. And then once you do that, then start just plotting points of the other two variables. So for example, we'll set z equals to 0. Now you know that you're basically going to be plotting points on the xy plane. So just put a number for x, say 0, and then see what the y value is. You know, set x to 1, see what the new y value is, and you'll start tracing a line. You can do that for, you know, as many times as you need to start seeing the pattern. And then what you can do is start setting the other variables to 0. So set x to 0 and then plot a line for the relation between y and z, and so on. There's going to be only a few different shapes that you can get. They were classified into 6 basically families, these quadratic surfaces. So it's going to be either an ellipsoid, which is basically like an egg, or it can be a sphere. It can be a cone, that's self-explanatory. It can be a elliptical paraboloid, which kind of looks like a cup. It can be a hyperbolic paraboloid. It can be a hyperboloid of one sheet, which kind of looks like one of those big stacks, those towers at like a nuclear power plant. Or it can be a hyperboloid of 2 sheets, which is kind of like the same thing, except imagine it like pinches off and is in 2 different pieces. So that's basically that.